The automatic climate control in the Audi TT is intuitive, easy to use, and very effective at maintaining the desired cabin temperature. When the vehicle is started, pressing any button will activate the system and recall the last selected temperature. The temperature may be adjusted within a range of 60 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum heating and cooling is achieved in the high or low settings. At these settings, the fan runs continuously and temperature is not regulated. Once a temperature is set, pressing the auto button will automatically regulate temperature, fan speed, and airflow to achieve the desired temperature. This is the easiest way to control cabin comfort. The AC light will always be on in auto mode, and the air conditioning compressor may activate at any time, even when the system is warming the cabin to regulate interior humidity. The AC can be switched off within auto mode. You may also choose to regulate the settings manually. To go from auto to manual, simply adjust either the fan speed or airflow, and the system will enter manual mode. The airflow selector knob will direct air to the floor, panel, or defrost vents, or any combination of the three. Arrows in the button display indicate the distribution of airflow. Press the center of the button to enter recirculation mode. This helps prevent outside air and odors from entering the cabin, or to cool the cabin more quickly in hot environments. To adjust airflow direction, turn the outer ring of the air vent. To adjust the airflow amount, move the lever below the vent. To stop the airflow, move the lever all the way to the left. The max defrost button will activate the fan on high, turn on the AC for dehumidification, and send all airflow to the windshield and side window defrost vents for quick defrosting of the windshield. To defrost the rear glass, press the rear defrost button. The defroster will turn off automatically in 10 to 20 minutes, depending on outside temperature. To turn the heating and cooling system off, turn the fan speed control knob all the way to the left. Your set temperatures will be retained. You can achieve another level of comfort with the heated seats. Press the center of the left or right air vent to activate the respective seat heater. The LED shows 3 levels of heating. When the light is off, the heater is off. On the TT Roadster, neck level heating is achieved through vented seats. Simply turn the surrounding ring to adjust the level from low to medium, high, and off. Also on the TT Roadster, climate settings are maintained with different control strategies depending on the status of the convertible top. When you turn the climate control system on, it automatically detects whether the top is open or closed. Elegant design and effortless function are the hallmarks of Audi technology.